Hey guys, Dave here from Easy Country Cooking and Cook and Share. It is breakfast time and I wanted some corned beef hash. I mean, there was no question, corned beef hash with a beautiful egg over the top. I made up my own and it came out absolutely incredible. Easy to make, a great breakfast, so let me show you how to do this. So the first thing we're going to do is peel a potato, and this is just a white potato, but you know, you can use the potato of your choice. You don't have to peel. Some people claim that's where all the nutrients are. Oh dear, to peel or not to peel, that is the question. Then grab yourself up a good sharp knife and cut them into slices. Then go ahead and use your creative cutting skills and go ahead and dice them up. Because the rule of thumb is the smaller they are, the faster they cook. Something like that anyway. Okay, then go ahead and throw about a tablespoon of olive oil into a pan over medium-high heat. Add those diced taters in. And we're going to stir and fry these for about, I'd say 4 minutes or so. You don't want them really brown, just to the point where they're just about cooked through. Now in we go with a small chopped onion, 3 cloves of chopped garlic, gots to have that garlic. And we'll just stir and saute this for a couple of minutes until that wonderful, wonderful aroma of garlic fills the air. Oh, there's nothing nicer than onion and garlic cooking, I always say that. Now I'm going in with a can of corned beef. And this is just a fairly decent corned beef I picked up at the grocery store. If you really want to get extravagant and use the deli corned beef, go ahead and do that. But, you know, my pocketbook just wouldn't allow it. Just kind of use the old egg flipper and break this corned beef up. Of course, we're going to mix and stir everything around and continue to cook. And oh, this is smelling so good, guys. Season things up with a wee bit of salt, just a wee bit because that corned beef is salty anyway. A teaspoon or 2 of the old ground black pepper. Now what I'm going to do at this point in time is kind of push everything down because I want a crust to start to develop on the bottom of that corned beef. So just push down a little bit until you get a flat surface and just let it fry. And after frying for 2 or 3 minutes, you turn this over and do the same thing, push it down again, and you can start to see, guys, that crust beginning to develop on the bottom. Doesn't that look good? Ooh. Corned beef at its best. What more can I say? I don't know, but to me this is the trick to getting a good corned beef hash. And my personal preference is kind of divide this into 4 sections just for serving purposes. And that crust is even looking better. Just look at this, guys. Alrighty then, it is time to plate this up and it will be corned beef time. And everybody is yelling, "Where's my corned beef? Where's my corned beef?" But of course you have to serve this up with a beautiful fried egg over the top. Of course, garnished with some parsley to make it look all pretty like. And there you have it, my friends, our simple and easy corned beef hash. And you get a knife and cut into that yolk and just kind of let it run down over the hash. Oh my goodness. Then grab this up and bite into it, guys. It is just heavenly. Corned beef hash at its very, very best. You simply have to make this. And if you do, leave us a comment, of course, and give us a like, because it does help the channel out. And most of all, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, and see you next time.